You can never have enough of these headsets. I not only have one pair, not two, not three, not even four.
This is why we have problems.
Even though they're Apple, this will die after 2 or 3 years, so you have to replace it no matter what. But I still like them. This is by Amazon. I got it. It is a cheap one. Not that happy with the quality of the sound. This is my all-time favorite. These are amazing. Very expensive, but they're fantastic. And now I'm gonna see how this brand Raycon stands among all of those. So let's see what, again, this brand is all about, and I will see you in a nanosecond. All right, keep watching. Don't go. What's up, mi gente? I hope everybody is doing amazing. So if you know me, you know that I love technology. Not only I love fashion, obviously look at all the glitz and all the colors. I love makeup. I like all those things. That's what my channel it is mainly about. But I do also need technology to edit. I'm always on the go, doing meetings.
So just like busy.
So before we go ahead and give a try to these bad boys, I wanted to give you like a very quick overview. These ones here are called the Everyday. Now they do have 4 colors, comes like in a gray color, carbon black, forest green, and blush violet. Also, one thing to note, it does not come with a protective case. This is a separate purchase for $19.99. You can actually buy the protective case, which I do recommend. I think this is super cute. It gives like some character. It comes with these little tips that I can actually adjust to my ear. This is very smart that they did this, so you can actually adjust that according to your needs. 79.99. You're getting an amazing deal on these ones because the technology is great. One thing to note, the length of the tip, it is short in comparison to the ones of the Apple. So I'm gonna put it side by side so you can actually see. This is longer and this is shorter. That's nice. I like that. Doesn't come out. It is very, I mean, for me it is very discreet. The Apple ones, I always like them. However, you have the little stick that comes like that. Does that bother me? Not at all. It's just like a great feature just to grab it, like just to hold it and put it into your ear. It's fine. I just like the way the Raycons are more like flush to your ear. So I just like the simplicity on that one. I think it's great. I do have a piercing in here. What happens is I could not wear earbuds for the longest time. So the Apple one will not work. It is too long. I mean, if you have a piercing on this area, you know what I'm talking about. It is a pain in the you know what to put an earpiece in there. With the Raycon, for whatever reason, it's just work. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't not irritate my piercing, and it stays. You see? It works perfectly fine. So again, I have that piercing in here so you can see. So if you have that type of piercing on your ear, again, you know what I'm talking about. It is very difficult. This one here works perfectly fine. And the reason is, it is not that long. That's why it works great. I really wanted to make this video outdoors just to change the vibes, but I live in Florida. We're midsummer and look at what happened. Mosquitoes, they bit me like crazy. I am itchy. Ouch. Not fun at all. Oh my god. Alright you guys, so I had to finish filming this video with my phone because I'm filming outdoors. I live in Florida and the heat, it is insane. It is over 100 degrees, super humid, and my camera, poor camera's like, I can't take this. Go back inside. No. So here's my camera. See? Hello, my Sony camera. It's like, no. I got the warning says like, too hot. And I was filming only for a few minutes. I don't get it. It is 100 degrees, so it's tough.
I know I'ma live right because I ain't going to hell if it's hotter than this. Damn!
And a good way to try this video, whatever sound you're actually listening to right now is coming from these. So that's a microphone that is built into these earbuds. I really like them. No complaints. I like the way it fits. So comfortable. I can have this all day long. It's not gonna bother me at all. My actually my Apple one sometimes bothers me a little bit because of my new piercing. Again, this is a mighty sound. I think it is very mighty. Very good sound. Very crisp. It's pretty good. So I was listening to a few songs actually earlier with this new earbuds, and I was like, oh, I didn't notice there was like a guitar playing on the background before, and I was able to now notice it. So weird, but yeah. Very happy with the sound. Very crisp, very satisfied with the actual quality of the product itself. Very light in weight. They don't come out when you're working out. They definitely get the job done. I'm an Apple guy, like I said before. I love everything Apple, but now I think I'm really digging this one's here for $79.99. If I had to replace in the future any of my earbuds, this will be the way to go. Or for a gift, I think it's great, especially for somebody that likes to work out outside. This is great. I have cases for all of them because I'm clumsy and I'm always dropping my stuff, so I definitely needed to have a protective case. For the Raycon, very cool. I think it's really edgy. I like that design, and they have different colors if you want. 7 things to know about these earbuds. Number 1, the active noise cancellation to block out the noise. It has that ergonomic design for that perfect fit. Something very important, this lasts 32 hours of battery life. Also, you can use them for 8 hours straight of playtime. It has IP66 weather resistant, withstand the rain, snow, or even the sweatiest of workouts. It has 4 microphones for high performance calls. It has a multi-point connection dual device harmony. So what it does is gonna link up to 2 devices, and you can switch between them. So just by literally tapping it, you can navigate tracks, adjust the volume, and answer any calls. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave your comments right there below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm watching you. Make sure that you subscribe. Hit the like button if you like this video. And I will see you here next time on my channel. All right. Have an amazing day and go shop. Go shop. I'm going to put all the links right there below. All right. Take care now.